Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there. And on his farm he had a duck, E-I-E-I-O. With a quack-quack here and a quack-quack there. And on his farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With an oink-oink here and an oink-oink there. And on his farm he had a sheep, E-I-E-I-O. With a ba-ba here and a ba-ba there. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Samir Kids Zone.